discussing about the types of land use. So types of land use, we discussed what is land, and now we are discussing types of land use. So here we are discussing different types of land use. So first one is what here, net zone area. Next we are discussing about what next here, forest land. Next we have what here, land used for non-agricultural purpose. Next we have fallow land. Next we have a grassland. First we'll take here net zone area. Makla net zone area andre nothing but agricultural land. Net zone area is nothing but agricultural land. So points hogana illi, in as India agricultural based economy. Nama India main people what they will do here, occupation, what occupation will do here, ಏನು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕಾನಮಿನು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ as India agricultural based economy, so main economy is what here, agriculture. So major portion is being used for cultivation. So major people are what they are doing here, children, they are cultivating the land. Cultivating what, agriculture, cultivating what, land here. Next, so India ranks first in cultivation. First yaar rank ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಚೈನಾ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಚೈನಾನ ಯಾವುದು? yes, USA, yeah. So India what's here? India ranks second in what? Second in the cultivation. Next, top cultivation area. Illin cultivation ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹರಿಯಾಣ, ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್, UP and then what here? Bihar. So net zone area is nothing but it's an agricultural land. So in these are the few states. ಈ few states ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇದನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 33%. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿಲಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ how much forest should be covered, 33%. But in our India how much forest is covered here, 21.3%. match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So attempts are done. What attempts are done to increase the forest? But we have been improved. Hege 1950-51 how much we have? We have 16.2% of forest. Now how much we are having, children, here? 21.3%. But according to forest survey, how much forest should be there? 33%. So this will be asked in exam. India dalli eshtu forest ide, forest survey prakara eshtu irbeku anta they may be asked. Next you can see here, land used for non-agricultural purpose. So other than agricultural, the land used for building, they will use for dam, then they will use for industries, and then they will use for what here, children, here, road, etc. So other than agriculture, ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ land ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. Next we will see here fallow land. Fallow land ಅಂದ್ರೆ a land which left uncultivated, waste land. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, waste land. But with the new technology, what they are using, children, they are using the, they are doing what here, utilizing the fallow land, and they are doing what here, agriculture in fallow land. Next, grassland we will see here. Grasslands are diminishing continually with the expansion of area being taken for agriculture. So even ಅದು ಡಿಮಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. But Himachal Pradesh has the largest area under grassland. Please mark down. It may be asked for MCQ. Which? Himachal Pradesh. Next, Punjab, Haryana have the smallest grassland. Next, other uncultivated land. Land which was earlier used in agriculture. Again, now it is what here is left uncultivated due to certain changes in the chemical composition of the soil, which is rendered it is unsuitable. Munche they were doing agriculture in this land. Because of the due to chemical composition of the soil, ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಏನೂ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ. That's the reason the land is left what, uncultivated. ಆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ರೀಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ, but land has been what, left uncultivated. So these are the different types of land use. I hope this is clear for everyone. Different type of land use. So shall we go to the next topic, agriculture.